traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I definitely am still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3. Most wave 3s do go to the 161.8, so I'm still looking for some more upside to hit that, and it honestly could go beyond that pretty easily. It doesn't have to stop at the 161.8. It seems likely that it probably would go down and make a wave 4 and eventually go back up and make a wave 5, but we'll just have to watch and see. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think that we're in a wave 3 still. This is the big wave 1 that I showed you on the monthly, the wave 2. This is all subdivisions of a wave 3, so 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and now we're in a wave 5 of 3. I think we're going to hit at least the 2550, 2560 area, which is this Fibonacci extension, and also the higher time frame Fibonacci extension for the wave 3 projection. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I definitely think we're in a wave 5 right now, and it does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But like I said, I don't think the trend is over. I think we still have some more upside potential, and I definitely would still be looking for logs. It tried to break structure yesterday, and it actually did break structure yesterday, but especially looking at the daily time frame, it just looks like a rejection of structure. To me, the trend is definitely still up on the daily time frame. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, yeah, we definitely did break structure, but how we broke structure is what's important. It kind of looks to me like it made one wave down, 1, 2, 3 waves up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down to a Fibonacci retracement level, and then impulsive engulfing to the upside. Looks like the end of an ABC crescent. It looks like it's already back into the uptrend. So let's keep all this in mind. Let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, yes, we did break structure yesterday, but the way we broke structure looks like it's an ABC crescent. We got impulsive down wave A. I got 1, 2, 3 waves up, ending right here for a wave B. I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, right down to the 61.8. Nice impulsive move up. Now, if this broke and held below structure, then yeah, I would be saying I'm looking for shorts all day long. But the way this broke structure tells me that I'm going to continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks. And the trend is still up on the very high time frames. I still think we're in a wave 3, and we still haven't hit the target on the very high time frames for this wave 3. So the trend is still up. The trend is my friend, so I'm going to continue to look for longs every chance I get on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.